You didn't like high yield. I imagine you don't like it now. Can we put some numbers on things, though, if we can? High yield spreads were through 400 basis points in the last month. We were literally there just the other week. We're north of that level right now. You've heard the people, I've heard the people that come on this show. They say it's a high-quality index. They say the story's changed for high yield. Spreads won't gap out that much this time at a downturn. What do you say back to them?
I say recession is inevitable. The low and high yield, or the widened spreads, is always during recession. I don't know if it happens before year end or early next year. I'll be patient and wait. What should be disturbing to a lot of those investors is that the problems we're seeing now are in the investment grade market. It's with investment grade banks. It's with banks that had very wealthy client bases. Those are the ones that have come under attack. So it's disturbing for anyone in the credit space.
So numbers, it's not 500 that gets it done for you. I imagine it's not 6.
It's a minimum of 800.
Minimum of 800 basis points.
Minimum of 800.
Spreads.
We've always been to 800 over minimum in recession. If I think about all the funding that's gone on over the last 3 years, the amount of liquidity sloshing around in the system, we expect more problems.
Is it the last 3 or the last 10? The last 3 years or the last decade that we need to undo?
It's a lot of the last 3 years, but I think we're leaving the last decade behind. I think, look, the pleasant way to look at it is we had a pandemic, we had an overwhelming policy response. Now we've got to take out a lot of that liquidity. You're going to have a painful adjustment, but there are positive things ahead. There's a whole generational transformation to the millennials. So we could see higher highs and higher lows in central bank rates and also in bond yields. But that doesn't get us past the washing out process that has to occur first. That's what we're going to see over the next several quarters.